Today I'm presenting a cake pop recipe for all those who like to make their cake pops in a silicone mold. For this recipe I used 2 eggs, 100 g melted butter, 100 g sugar, 110 g flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally a dash of salt. I beat the eggs for a minute, then combine with sugar, and then pour in the melted butter. I beat this for a minute or two until the consistency is nice and creamy. Now to the dry ingredients. I combined a teaspoon of baking powder and salt with the flour and poured this into the wet ingredients. I don't want to overbeat the flour, so I just gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet. I've placed the batter in a pastry bag and I'm distributing the cake batter in a silicone mold. The bottom silicone mold has been greased with about 5 grams of butter. I did not grease the lid. Then I closed the cake pop lid and placed it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 minutes. To avoid burning myself, I let the cake pops cool for a few minutes and then remove the lid. I scrape the edges with a knife and then place a stick into the center of the cake pops, and I'm then ready to decorate. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think of it by commenting below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.